And finally, it is installation day. And right on time, here's one of our installation crews. Hey guys, as you see here, you're gonna wanna make sure that they can back their truck in. These slabs are not light, so we wanna make sure there's plenty of room secured and blocked off for them to be able to pull into. Hi, Marble.com.
Come on in.
Thank you. So as our technicians start unloading the pieces, you're gonna wanna make sure you have an easy, clear path for them to get the slabs through the walkway. Similar to like you see here in this driveway. This is the way it should be. And for example, just a few minutes ago, there was trash cans, there was lawn furniture lined up along this wall here. We had this removed to make it easier for our crew to get everything back. So keep that in mind. Even the little things could get in the way of an installation. And because our installers are required to keep their boots on at all times, make sure you have things down to cover your own floors as they're entering your house. And remember to keep in mind, as you see the floor protectors here, you're going to want to have something similar, especially if you have carpet. And what we're looking at here now is what we call a waterfall finish. And what that means is, other than the straight edge that you see here, this finish is actually going to go down vertically, like you see the guys installing here now. The client actually opted for this type of finish. It's very modern, very popular these days. So we're here, the job is in progress, and we're fortunate enough to be with homeowner Gabby.
Hi, how are you?
I am well. Gabby, how are you feeling with the job so far?
I'm very excited. I love cooking though.
Now Gabby, Marble.com offers over 35 edge profile options. Why'd you choose this one?
I went with the straight edge because I was really looking for something simple and timeless to go with the cabinets. I wanted the styles to match up, and also the countertop really deserved its shining moment.
I agree. Now Gabby, in addition to a lot of colors to choose from, you also had a lot of options as far as material.
Yeah.
We have a quartzite here, we have a marble, we have a granite. Which one did you go with?
I went with the quartz actually because I was looking for material that was low maintenance and very easy to take care of.
Well Gabby, we can't wait to check back in with you on the finished product. But what's here so far is looking great.
Great, thank you so much.
And that's it for this episode of Marble.com University. We hope you enjoyed it. And as always, don't forget to check out our virtual rooms on Marble.com. Exclusive inspirational and design tools to help you find the right colors and materials for your project.